channel. My name is Christine, and I'm here just to quickly show you that Mary Stockings had their Christmas in July sale, and I couldn't resist. They had all their pandas on sale, so I stocked up. So I just wanted to show you which ones I got. So if you watched a previous video of mine, you'll see that I've already stitched the first one, and I don't have him with me right now, but that's in a different video. But this was the only one I had bought up to this point. But there's a nice reflection from the window, sorry. So in addition to this one here, I have got all the ones that have been released so far. So that there is the, I don't know, which one is this one called? Sweetheart Panda. Let's try and get the glare off of that. Right there, Sweetheart Panda. Then we've got the Easter Panda. Then we've got Patty Panda. Picnic Panda. And Liberty Panda. So very cute. I think I'm going to just dive into this one right here. He's my favorite. I think he's just so cute. And it's still summertime, so perfect. That one, and then I probably want to do this one too, since watermelon is definitely a summertime. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that there's going to be 3 more released this year. I did see the next one is on their website. I didn't get that one yet. I'll probably wait till the next 3 are released and then get them all together, but it's a cute one. It looks like he has kind of like a back-to-school theme with some crayons and books, so very cute. Hey, why don't we just dive into this one and take a look, just in case I start it tonight. I can show you what the kit looks like on the inside. So let me move this out of the way and grab my scissors, and we will open that one up. Okay. Alright, so the first thing it comes with is the picture, so that you can see what he looks like all finished, which is always good to refer to, have the picture to refer to, just to see, you know, in case you get confused about something. And then on the back side here, oh, this is actually the booklet. So then when you open this up, so the Mary Stockings kits are very well organized. I love their instructions. I love this little diagram that they have right here, because it is so easy to follow. You almost don't even really need to read the instructions. You can just look at this, and it's got all the different details about what types of stitches to do where. So it has it listed up here if you like to, if you want to just read the text, or if you want to then look at the picture. It's really super easy to follow. And then over here they've got the little instructions with the check marks, so that you can do each step the way it's supposed to be done. So I love their little instruction booklets. Super easy to follow. Oh, and then what is this? This is the general instructions right here. Oh, and look at this. It's got the stitching and embellishment illustrations to really show you how to do each of the different types of steps. So I really like this. And I've noticed on their website, on their YouTube channel, they have a YouTube channel. I'll link it below. They have now they're starting to upload very detailed videos about the Mary Stocking kits and the Busilla kits on how to do just all the different steps of the kits. So that's exciting. As of now, they just have a couple of videos released, but they're very informative, and they really show a lot of details about how to do the stitches and everything. So I highly recommend checking out their YouTube channel. Okay, so let's look inside and see what this the felt looks like. All right, we've got the black felt, which has these little pieces on it, and the outlines are very clear and easy to see, and the quality of the felt feels nice and thick. Here's the white. Oh, look at how cute these little cones are. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to have to stitch this tonight. I was going to dive into a Halloween kit, but I think I might just have to do couple of these pandas. And then that's his little hat there. Cute. As you can see, the outlines are very easy to see. And then that right there. So there is just not a lot involved in this kit. You can probably stitch one of these up in a day or two. I'll let you know though. I mean, I did that one, but it was way back in, I think, February, so I don't remember how long it took. And then you get this other little embellishment pack right here that has the floss to sort. So there we go. We got a number 10 bead needle in the envelope there. And the number 7 crewel embroidery needle. So you get 2 needles to work on, and then you got some clear beads, some red beads. Wow, these beads are like high quality. I could tell already. They all look very uniform in size. Very nice, and I love the sequins in the Mary Stockings kits too. They're Mary Stocking kits. They're very shiny and well coated. They don't have any like worn spots or anything like that. So very awesome sequins. And look at these. Oh, this is my favorite. Little white star sequins. So cute. Okay, I just wanted to show you what was in that kit so that I can show you the finished product in the next video, or maybe not in the next video. I'll probably have it in the same video because I'm not going to upload this until I have at least one of these to show. And if it stitches up quick, maybe I'll even show you two, but I don't think I need to open up each one because they all are very similar. I mean, they all have really the similar things in them. So, okay, I'm going to get started on that this evening, and I'll check in when I have a finish. All right, see you in a bit. Good morning. It's the next morning, and I wanted to show you how much I got done last night. I got a lot done, actually. I did all of the embroidery so far on the little guy here and his face, and then up here on my little workstation. I'm sitting on my deck this morning, so it might get, yes, like there's a plane flying by right now. Hopefully you can't hear that. What else did I do last night? I did this adorable hat. I did his other paw, which is lightly stuffed. And then I did the embroidery for the top of the ice cream cone. And what else? That's it. Quite a bit though. So yeah, I stand by my assessment that this can easily be done in, okay, if you're not like me, and an evening of crafting usually means like 4 hours. I think I didn't even start this till 10 o'clock last night, so I was up really late. We won't talk about what time that was, but I couldn't put him down. So yes, if you do spend a reasonable amount of crafting time, like a couple of hours, you can easily get this done in probably 3 days, 3 nights, 3 evenings of crafting. It just depends, I guess. Not, we all craft at our own pace, but there just isn't a lot to do. A couple of little embroidery stitches on his paw here and his feet, and then you just stitch his little belly on, and then the face. I did the satin stitch on the nose. Let me see if I can zoom in there. I think that turned out pretty good. I'm getting better at my satin stitching. Little outlining stitch around the eyes, the eyebrow, the ears. So that just didn't take too long, compared to some of the other ornaments I've done with the Bucilla kits. This is going together pretty quick. I love that hat though. Definitely my favorite part of this whole little guy. So yeah, I'm just sitting out here this morning, and I think I could easily finish it up. I'm just going to applique the little ice cream cone pieces onto the cone, and then put the cone together, and then just assemble the cone, the paw, and then put him into the back. I already made my little twisted cord right here for the hanger, so that's ready to go. So we've got a little bit of morning coffee and crafting going, and then I think I'm going to dive into the watermelon panda later today. So maybe I'll film the opening up of that, and maybe record myself cutting out some of the pieces, just to give this video a little bit more bulk. Make it longer than 10 minutes. Okay, all right, I'll check in when I have a finish, and that'll probably be later this afternoon. See you in a bit. All right, here I am a short time later and I have a finish. Look at how cute. So went together just pretty easy. There's the back right there. And stuffed him just, I couldn't remember how much I stuffed my other one, so I went and found him, and I wanted to show you anyway because I didn't have him earlier in the video. This is the first one that I did. So stuffed, I tried to keep them kind of equal. Maybe this one's a little bit chunkier, but I have now 2 in the collection. So cute. What else is there to say about this one? Nothing too much. I might have to tack this just a little bit more to the side of his face because I'm worried over time. I think if I were to make a change, if I were to do this one again, I might insert a little piece of poster board or cardboard inside here just to make it, give it a little more stability, because I tacked it right here, but if you look on the back, there's nowhere else to tack it. You know, I mean, I could tack it a little bit to the side of his face there, like that, so I might do that, but yeah, I'm worried over time that that's going to get a little bit just bent because it's not stuffed. So yes, if you do this kit in the future, you might want to maybe put a little piece of cardboard inside there for stability. But other than that, super cute. So I don't have too much time right now, but I did want to go ahead and open this one because I'm going to get started on it a little bit later today. So let's open it up real quick and see what this one looks like. So once again, same thing. You've got this general instructions there, and then you got the little booklet here that shows the inside with the diagram. And yes, this one looks like a pretty quick stitch. The only sequins are just right there around the watermelon rind. And yep, looks pretty cute and pretty easy. Looks even faster than the one I just did. So let's look real quick at the felt pieces again. Got your same thing there. Got the green watermelon rind, the panda face and panda belly, and the watermelon. So yeah, this one should be even quicker. Let's go ahead and get this opened and look. All right, we got the clear beads, nice quality bright green sequins. Floss, and as per usual, the 2 needles. Okay, that's it for now. I'm going to, maybe I'll do a little bit of time lapse of me cutting the felt. We'll see if I do that. It's probably going to be a little bit later today. I have an errand I need to run. Okay, see you in a bit. You want to make sure that you cut off the black outline and keep it to the outside. So I always like to cut with it. I'm right-handed, and I like to cut with the line to the left of me so that I can really see that I'm cutting it off. I find that that works better than cutting it like how I normally would feel comfortable cutting, meaning normally I would cut something like this around, but I find that when I cut like that I always leave some of the black line on. So I like to cut so that I can really see that I'm cutting that black line. Can you see? You can really see that I'm cutting it all off. It usually leaves you with less cleanup at the end when you're cutting it out, going back and having to get some of the pieces off. So I always save these because you just never know when you're going to need a spare piece of felt. to use these Fiskars spring activated scissors. They're really much easier on the hands if you're doing a lot of cutting. So I love these. Alright, got all the pieces and we're good to go. So I'm going to assemble these and then I will just be back to show you the finished Panda. See you soon. Alright, I've got the little watermelon Panda done and look how cute. Some satin stitches for the watermelon seeds. Just adorable. So he looks on the back. Once again, didn't take long at all. Stitched right up super quick and he's adorable. Let me grab all three and let's look at them all together. All right, there they are. 3 adorable little pandas. So cute. All right, thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video when I get more of these pandas all stitched up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.